welcome to the channel. So we just got this box in the mail today, and I wanted to do an unboxing video for you. I haven't seen many videos on this particular component, whether it be used in the vehicle or just seeing what you get in the kit. So I kind of wanted to go through, as you get it in the box, what it is, what it looks like, and what's included. So this is an Offroad Design Magnum Underdrive Planetary gearbox, and this is going to be going in the Rockcrawler, going to be going behind the C6 automatic and in front of the MP205, so it goes between the transmission and the transfer case. And what it does is it actually enables you to select 4 speeds of gearing. So the reason I chose this Planetary gearbox is my Rockcrawler is currently on 44-inch tires. It's got 1-ton axles that are geared to 513s, and it's got an MP205 out of a Ford F350 in it. And the MP205 is well known for having a very fast low ratio in low range. It's 1.96 to 1. So what this gearbox does is it's got an effective ratio of 2.72 to 1. So that, combined with the low range on the MP205, will give me a gear ratio in low of 5.33 to 1. And that's really going to help me on the trail, especially the technical stuff. I like to play in the rocks, so I mean, cutting that speed in half, in more than half, is going to help so much. It saves a lot of wear and tear, less spinning, able to crawl up controllably. So let's go ahead and get into this kit here and see what's all included. So what I got is the 31 spline input shaft Ford kit. And in addition to that, I got the single stick Magnum shifter. So you'll see a lot of the shifter parts here. This is the shifter tower. Of course, we got instructions. Looks like a sight tube for the oil level. Some decals, of course. Instructions. So we got a shifter boot here. Shifter boot. Shifter linkage. More shifter linkage. Brackets for the shifter. Okay, so this is one of the big pieces to the kit. This is going to be an upgraded bearing for your input shaft that's going into the MP205. And then this should be the main input shaft upgrade. So the MP205 will actually have to come apart because the input shaft's going to be upgraded with this. So this will actually directly plug right into the underdrive unit here. This is the main input gear. Very nice piece. So I want you guys to see this. They've got this the actual gearbox spray foamed into the box. I mean, it's not going anywhere. They did a good job on packaging, so I'm pretty happy with that. So let's get it cut out of there. For anybody wondering, from the time I ordered it to the time that it arrived, it was a month and 11 days. So if you're thinking about getting one of these things, definitely leave some time for having it built and getting to your door. Because I don't know if they're just that busy or it just takes that long, to build them. Definitely good packaging. see you in a minute. Alright, well, we finally got this thing liberated, as David Freiberger would say. So. Awesome. It's actually pretty lightweight. I mean, it's all billet aluminum, so got steel shaft, of course. But alright guys, just to wrap up this video, I just wanted to give you a quick detailed view of everything that's included in the kit. One reason I went with Offroad Design is they actually include the mount that's required. They have this mounting ring down here and the provided mounting plates with isolators. So everything's there to mount the unit. Even though you're mounting it in between the transmission and transfer case, they always suggest to add that secondary mount. So yeah, if you guys want to see an install video, this going into the Jeep, let me know and we'll get her done. So that's all I have for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you got questions.